Assalamu alaikum everyone. Welcome to my final defense presentation and my research topic is growing popularity of restaurant food in Bangladesh. My name is MD Rahat Ahmed. My ID is 183352594. I am supervised by Mr. Shafhad Hossain, lecturer of Software Engineering Department, Daffodil International University. So first of all, here is my problem statement of my research. As we can see, a large number of Dhaka city people are currently depends on restaurant food in their daily life. Eating outside the home is a new trend of Dhaka city. Many of our students and professionals have to take outside food as they stay outside for a long time in a day. Following trend is another reason behind restaurant food intake. Motivation of my work. It will show the current scenario of restaurant consumer. It will discuss the influencing key factor of restaurant food. It will help the restaurant owner to analyze customer perception. Here's some example that people gossiping at restaurant. My research question. First of all, my research question is what is the current scenario of restaurant popularity? The second question of my research is what about the consumption rate of restaurant food among people and what type of work is this? Research objectives. I will analyze the public demand and people's concern of restaurant food, discuss the restaurant going tendency of Dhaka people, a structured questionnaire based work. Here is the literature review. The first paper I picked for literature review, the name of this paper is Factors Influencing the Selection of Restaurant for Dining in Dhaka City of Bangladesh. The author of this paper name is Nazrul Islam Motiul Amin, Ahmed Mustafi, MD Sajjad Ahmed, MD Mamnur Rashid, MD Abrar ul Kobir, and Tofik Nazrul. The methodology of this paper is EFA, CFA, and path model. The findings of this paper is this study identified six factors that influence the selection of the restaurant for dining in Dhaka. Limitations of this paper is take more sample can identify more factors. The second paper in my literature reviews habit of eating out by professionals of Bangladesh, a way to save time and efforts for more productive works. The methodology of this paper is structured questionnaire and stratified sampling method. Finding of this paper is the compelling factors are dominant in taking the decision and motivating factors are working behind such decision. The limitations of this paper, the sample size and frame could be enlarged to include non-professional of different areas to generalize. Third paper is factors influencing consumer menu item selection in a restaurant context. The methodology is used in this paper where BWS, which is mean best worst scaling method. The findings of this study is that this study contributes to understanding the attribute-based work and point to be improved. Here is the research methodology. There are two types of research methodology. First one is qualitative, and second one is quantitative. Basically, my work is a quantitative data analysis because it's numerical data, and in quantitative research is referred to as the process of collecting as well as analyzing numerical data. Here is the methodology of my research work. First of all, I collect data, then I pre-process data and that analysis data and visualize the data. Here is the data collection sample. I collect data from online survey from. Here is my data pre-processing. Here is the methodology. The methodology I used in this work is EDA, which is means exploratory data analysis. Here's some example of my graph of data analysis. Now the results. As we can see in this graph, shows the weekly restaurant going tendency of different ages people in Dhaka. So as we can see, the age of 20 to 30 and the age of 11 to 20, which means youth and teenager people are going restaurant mostly. Here the concern rate among different ages, it means the which ages of people are concerned more about restaurant food. As we can see, 20 the age of 20 to 30 people are less concerned than the age of 40 to 50 people. It means the our senior citizen are concerned about the restaurant foods and our youth and teenager are less concerned about restaurant food. Here are some influencing factors for different ages. It means which type of people are influencing by which factors. Here we can see that people mostly influenced by food blog between their ages like 11 to 20, 30 to 40, and 20 to 30. And the secondly, they influenced by food bank, secondly they influenced by restaurants food Facebook page, and thirdly they influenced by food bank. Here's the restaurant going tendency based on their monthly income. As we can see, the people with mid-range income like 20 to 30k or 10k to 20k are going restaurant mostly. Then the others incoming people like 40k to 50k plus. Conclusion. In my research work, I found some conclusion. The first one is people of 20 to 30 age are mostly consume restaurant food. Second one is teenage like 11 to 20 age and youth 20 to 30 age people are equally less concerned about restaurant foods. Main influencing factor towards restaurant food is food vlog. People with mid-range income are dependent more on restaurant food. Here are the limitations of my work. Dataset does not consist information from all over Bangladesh as I used data from Dhaka people. A machine learning algorithm are not used to result prediction because I not use the machine learning algorithm. I just use the EDA method to data analysis and data visualization. Thank you.